Hi everyone, my name is Leena. Today I'm here with another topic, and that is how to check combinations that show foreign travel or education abroad or permanent residency in foreign country in KP Astrology. Actually, you have to find out first what is the purpose of travel. So it can be education or job or as a tourist or settle in foreign country for good. This is permanent residency in foreign country. So let's begin. So first step is to make a list of untenanted planets in the horoscope and make a script as per your query. Like our query is regarding foreign travel. So check 12th house cusp script like here. This script you have to check. Here we can see Pisces, Mercury, Moon. That's it. Sublord. This is the sublord. This is nakshatra and this is sign. Okay. Now we need 3, 9, 11 in this script. Because third house, this is 12th from 4th. That is away from home. If you see, third house, 12th from 4th. And third house, this also governs documentation. So if you have to travel abroad, you need to have visa. And that needs lot of documents. Okay. Then ninth house. Ninth house is long distance travel plus sanction of visa. Then 11th house is gains or fulfillment of desires. Okay, so 3, 9, 11 has to be there in 12th house script. Okay, now unfavorable is 2, 8, 11. Second house. This is unfavorable. Second house is 12th from third house. Third house of documentation. So if second is there, so some documents will be missing. If 8 is there, then visa will not be sanctioned. Travel is not there. Okay. Next step is to check promise in the horoscope. Here you need to be most careful because at times one is not able to read promise. Then one can miss accuracy in horoscope analysis. And for this, you need to know KP rules, how to do birth time rectification. Because if without BTR you start analyzing, then at times sublord changes, and if you pick wrong sublord for analysis, then again things won't match. And I have made videos on BTR and rules. I keep on repeating in all my videos. So also you can read my blogs on website and check my free mini guide on KP. Okay, now in the horoscope, we have to check 12th house cusp sublord. Here we see it is moon. So we have to check moon script. Okay, so moon should signify 3, 9, 11. And there should be no 2, 8. Then one can go abroad. Okay, so you have to check this. Here I will add that if both combinations are there, then one will travel for work or some project, but again will have to come to hometown. But again, sublord should not negate travel combination. That is 3, 9, 12. Keep this rule in mind. So I will explain this with the help of a case study. So as we see that 12th cusp sublord is moon. And moon we have to check. And moon is untenanted in this horoscope. It is a self-significator. That is, there is no planet which is in moon star. So moon will work at star lord level also. Now in the script we can see 2, 4 plus moon involves 12th house. The first case study is about a boy who wants to know about his education. Will he travel abroad? So 12th house cusp script will be checked. So this is Mercury, Moon. These will give details. So read the entire script. Jupiter, Mercury, Moon. This script will give complete details. So we see promise is there or not. And Moon is untenanted and is sublord of 12th house. So we have 2, 4 and 12. And star lord is Rahu and it is involving 9th house. So now we have 9 at star level and Moon being untenanted is giving 12. So 9, 12 we have. And Mercury, because Mercury is also here. And Mercury is showing complete combinations 3, 11, 12. Okay. 3 at the star lord level and then at sublord 11, 12 is there. So that makes complete travel combinations. So this states that promise is there and there is no negation also. Next is check the ongoing dasha. So in 2016, Jupiter Mahadasha started and see Jupiter combinations. Jupiter is showing complete combinations of travel 9, 11, 12. So in 2016, when Jupiter Mahadasha and Jupiter Antardasha started, this boy got an opportunity to travel abroad for higher education in US. And if you see in the promise that 2 is there, 4 is there, so there is a mix. But 9, 12 is also there. So he got student visa. Whenever you see 4th house in the script, remember that 4th house is home and comfort. So these people travel to homeland very frequently. But it should not negate. Travel combinations should not be negated at sublord level. Now let's move to next case study. This is an example of permanent residency. See, it depends which country one has applied for. Every country has different immigration rules. Here you need to be well informed. Here for promise again, 12th house cusp script will be checked. So it is Jupiter. Ketu plus Jupiter will be checked. Now 12th house, first of all we'll check Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter is showing complete combinations and there is no negation also. Then at star lord level we checked there is no negation. 6 is there, 2 is there, but towards end 9, 11 is there. That is important. This is telling about the promise. So if you see 3, 6, 11. So 3rd house is visa. Then 6th house, work permit. 11th house, fulfillment of desires. So in 2015, Saturn Mahadasha and Jupiter Antardasha. This guy got permanent residence in Canada, that is PR. And after 5 years of stay, they get citizenship. So if you see Saturn, when Saturn was going on and Jupiter Antardasha, here it is not negating. Travel combinations are there. Earlier, they were traveling as a tourist, but later they got an opportunity to travel for work. They got the work permit. When 6th house got activated at star lord level. Now, right now, Mercury Mahadasha is going on. So 3, 11, 12. Plus 4, it is there. Star lord is Sun. And it is in 12th house. Right now, Mercury Mahadasha is going on. And if you check the Mercury script, it is giving 3, 11 plus 4, 8. But at star lord level, 12th house is getting involved. And sun, it is in 12th house. That is most important. See, 4-8 is there, but 4-8 is not negating. And if you follow KP rules, planet states the source. Star Lord gives the main results. Sublord is final outcome. Like one will get the packet in a good condition, or you got the packet but it was damaged or of no use. This sublord tells. So in KP astrology, sublord is most important. So finally we get at sublord, we get 7-11 plus 3. So finally 7-11 along with 4-8. So both events will occur. And Antardasha will tell the main event. And Antardasha is of Venus. Right now Venus is going on. Mercury Mahadasha, Venus Antardasha. And since sublord is favorable, if you check, Venus, sublord is Venus only. This is favorable. 4-8 is getting involved, but sublord is favorable. This you have to check. Here we are talking about citizenship. So PR they got in 2015, but due to 8th house involvement, things got delayed. But eventually things were favorable, and this is checked through sublord. Okay, so now third case study. This is something different. Here again we will check promise. This script will explain. Sagittarius, Venus, Moon. These have to be analyzed. So 12th house cusp sublord is Moon. So we will check Moon script. And Moon here is again self-significator, untenanted planet. No planet is here as a Moon star lord. So it will work at star lord level along with Rahu. So we get 7-9 at star lord level in the script. 7-9 plus 12, and at sublord we get 9-11. And also Moon is sublord of 11th house plus 12th house. So it is supporting. Promise is there. Now most important point. We saw the promises there. But in Jupiter Mahadasha, this girl, she went abroad. And if you see Jupiter Mahadasha, this is favorable. But when Saturn started, if you see Saturn script, she had to come back because at star lord level, 2-8-11 is involved. So she had to come back. So in Saturn Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha, this lasted for 3 years. So Saturn is weak. So she had to come back. See, towards end, you are getting 3-12. But 8-11 is involved at star lord level. So that event will also occur. Now again, Saturn Venus started. Antardasha Venus is favorable for foreign travel. Visa is 3-6-9-11. Okay. Job and visa, both is seen. That is 3-6-11. And towards end, sublord is also supporting. 3-12. There is no negation. So again, she got an opportunity to move to a different country. So this way I've explained my way of checking foreign travel and about visa and permanent residency. See, if you go step by step, follow all the rules, then you will not miss any point. And if you are new to KP astrology, then first check basics, because your basics have to be very strong. For that, you can check my description box. Free stuff is there on KP, like blogs and ebooks. And if you want to understand completely and give guidance to others, then buy my course on KP Astrology. So that includes pre-recorded videos. So keep learning and practicing astrology because it works and is really helpful. Have a beautiful life.